Newport. Let's go to Crystal Cove. Water is so clear you can see the bottom. You can see the fish. But they just not really biting, which is okay. You know, you don't have to bite all the time. That's a big fish. It's a big Garibaldi. We don't want that. It's not what we came for. You can't even catch these. Wow. Right there up here. Dude, this, you can, I see it, I see it. Dude, cast it again. Because there's so much fish here. And so much structure, the water is so clean. It's nuts. It's nuts. So I never actually fished that close to the shore. Today the condition is so calm. And the structure here is just beautiful. No bites yet though. But I'm here to sightseeing. I see it. Yeah. I mean, surprisingly, there's no sheephead yet. But we haven't seen one. See all these bait stealer. You can see them. But none of these fish I want to target. Nothing. So today's not really a fishing trip. Today is more like a let's go look at fish trip. They're not even biting. In front of me is a commercial lobster trap. So don't even touch it. That's a fun experience though. You can see the fish or feeding them. So I guess we gotta get back to the ocean somehow. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can see on the GoPro. Hopefully. Dude, it's we haven't found our target. It's just all those bait stealer. There's some half moon. Yeah, that's why they're hitting. Yeah. Wow, look at that. All those perches, half moon perch. Or Catalina blue perch. They're not hungry. They're not biting. One nibble. Hey Mike, check this out. Oh, they stole my bait.
That's a lot.
Oh! Dude, look at where my bait is.
That's a lot of opali, bro. Oh man, he's eating your bait.
I know, he took it.
Yeah, I got it on video.
Nice.
That's the one you got fucking. Yep. Close up. That's a lot of them.
I think these are half moon out opali.
These look like opali.
The stinky one.
Yeah, these look like opali. Well, we'll find out for sure right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, dude, they not really committing.
Yeah, he's still over here chewing on whatever it is.
They're smart. Dude, that's pretty awesome. Oh.
Oh, you look like you had him.
I know, almost. Well, I'm using like 2-aught hooks though.
Oh.
Yeah. It's go big or go home time.
Yeah, it's small.
Oh. Yeah, if I have a size 1 hook, they're on.
I have 2s.
I have 2s as well. But I don't even want those fish, you know?
Yeah.
It's like, I don't even want it, but this is just fun. They're feeding them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, I'm not fishing because there are a lot of fish in the water, but they're just not committing any bite. And also those fish are not the ones I want. So I'm just enjoying the scenery. This is good. This area, from what I've been told, it's never this calm. And the water is never this clear. Which is amazing. Still getting hit.
It's opali.
It's opal, right?
I see him.
Yeah.
That one came all the way up to the top for it.
Yep, so not gonna get those fish. Oh well, probably took my bait. There you go, they took my bait. I knew it. Hey, that's some action. It's Garibaldi. Yeah. And it fights. Oh man, I need to release this guy. Dude, look. This thing is like international bright orange. I need to release it in the water by law. Can't even take it out of the water or something. Oh. Cannot bring it on board. Come on. There you go. Bye. Small one though. No, that's a whitefish.
Yes, go ahead.
You want it? All right, I'll give it to you. $30 whitefish. Well, broke the skunk because this one I can actually peek. Ah, keep. I'm tired. All right, looks like today it's just not a very good fishing day, but we saw a lot of fish. It was amazing. And kept the ocean whitefish. Gonna give it to Mike. Release the Garibaldi, California stayfish. You cannot target these. You cannot keep these. If you accidental catch one like I did, have to release them right away. So hopefully next time Newport Beach will be better.